Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a tasty mini mango cheesecake box. To make this mango cheesecake, I'm using this small 4-inch cake tin. This is a disposable one. With this recipe, you can make 2 such boxes. If you don't have this box, you can use any 4-inch cake tin. In a clean mixie jar, take some digestive biscuits, crush it lightly and then powder it well. I've given all the ingredients list in the description box, you can check it out. Then add some melted butter and then beat it again. Now mix it all together. Transfer the biscuits into the mold. Like I mentioned earlier, you can make 2 small cheesecakes with this quantity. Press the biscuits well with a spoon and then leave this in the refrigerator till we finish the next step. Now in a medium-sized mixie jar, take some ripe mangoes, cut it into small pieces and add it into the mixie jar. Then add the cream cheese. Then add the cream. I'm using Amul red packet whipping cream. Then add some sugar. Finally add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Close the mixie and blend it all together till it becomes nice and smooth like this. Now I'm adding the melted and cooled white chocolate. This white chocolate will help the cheesecake to set well, but then you will not taste the white chocolate. It just works as a setting agent and it increases the taste of the cheesecake. Close the mixie jar again and blend it well. Now our cheesecake mixture is ready. Bring the cheesecake box from the fridge and transfer the cheesecake mixture onto the biscuit layer and spread it evenly. Leave this in the refrigerator for 1 hour to set well. For the top layer, take 2 slices of mango. Make sure the mango you use is nice and ripe. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and blend this well. Add the mango puree over the cheesecake layer and spread it evenly. Cover the box, leave this in the refrigerator for 2 hours before you serve it. So the tasty mini mango cheesecake is done. It's a perfectly set, delicious mango cheesecake recipe. If you love cheesecakes, then you have to try this recipe this summer season. In our family, my daughter and me, we absolutely love this cheesecake, so I make this quite often. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.